Welcome to this class on Vastu Shastra. Today we focus on the Kitchen Vastu, known as the energy center of the home. In this session we will explore which direction is most auspicious for the kitchen according to Vastu Shastra principle. We will also discuss direction to avoid when constructing a kitchen, the ideal cooking position, the layout of a Vastu compliant kitchen, and the best colors to use. By the end of this class, you will gain a comprehensive understanding of Kitchen Vastu. So let's get started. I am AppliedVastu, an Astro Vastu consultant and civil engineer. For those who watching on this video on website, please pay close attention to these entire lessons. At the bottom of the lessons, you will find a next button. Clicking this, it will take you in assignment for the lesson. You must answer the multiple choice questions correctly for the AppliedVastu software to mark your lesson as complete. Incorrect answer will require to revisit the lessons. This system is in place to maintain the quality of the free Vastu course by AppliedVastu. For our viewers on YouTube and other platforms, we have exciting news. AppliedVastu has launched a free online Vastu Shastra courses for everyone. Upon completing this basic course, you will receive a free certificate. If you have not enrolled yet, please check the link in the description below. Now let's find out which direction you should avoid for the kitchen. According to Vastu Shastra, the kitchen location is crucial. The kitchen is the energy center and should not be placed just anywhere. Can a kitchen be located in northeast direction? The northeast or the Ishan corner is considered as geared in Vastu. The northeast corner falls between 34 to 57 degrees clockwise from the north direction. A verse from Vishwakarma Prakash state, Ishanyam Devata Gyam. This signifies that Ishan corner is a divine space. Hence, constructing a kitchen here is not advisable. Based on our 13 years of experience, northeast corner can lead to negative effects. So, it's best to avoid the northeast for your kitchen. What about the southwest corner if the kitchen is located here? The southwest is situated between 213 to 235 degrees clockwise from the north direction. The Vishwakarma Prakash mentions Naiditam Sutika Geham. The term Shutika Geham refers to a place of birth, which is not auspicious for a kitchen. Our extensive experience and over 12,000 case studies indicates that kitchens in southwest corner can produce negative outcomes. Therefore, do not consider the southwest for your kitchen either. Now, which direction should you ideally choose for the kitchen? According to Vastu Shastra, the southeast corner, also known as Agni corner, is the most favorable. While there are other suitable locations, the southeast is considered as the best. The Agni corner is located between 125 to 147 degrees clockwise from the north direction. A verse of Vishwakarma Prakash states Agneyam Pakasadanam, confirming the kitchen should be built in southeast. Another reference from Raj Vallabha text says Posha Shitam Bhojana Mandirancha, meaning the food space should be in the Agni corner or the southeast corner. But what if constructing in southeast is not feasible? What does Vastu suggest in such cases? The Manasada text states Shurya Yamaha Madhe Paka Sadanam. This indicates a kitchen can be built anywhere in between Surya and Yamapada. The Surya Pada is in the east while the Yamapada is in the south. So, a kitchen can be constructed anywhere in between east and south. Can we construct a kitchen in northwest corner? Many people chose this corner as an alternative to the southeast corner. The northwest falls between 34 to 57 degrees counterclockwise from the north. In the Vastu Shastra, there is a verse regarding the kitchen construction in northwest corner. It states, Vayabam Pachanalaya Bayar Agni Karanata. That means you can construct a kitchen in northwestern part. Let's discuss the direction you should face while cooking. The direction of cooking is significant in Vastu. The Manasara states Surya Yamaha Madhye Paka Sadanam. This suggests that the kitchen should be between the Surya and Yamapada. Based on the applied Vastu compass, if the kitchen is in between east and south, you should face either these directions while cooking. So we can conclude that cooking while facing east and south is suitable according to Vastu. Let's talk about the color you should use in your kitchen Vastu. When selecting colors, first identify the pada on which your kitchen is located. You can utilize the applied Vastu compass for this purpose. Suppose your kitchen is located on the Pusha pada. For the Pusha pada, the Vishwakarma Prakash states Pusha cha Rakta Varnancha, indicates that red is the auspicious color for this space. However, it is essential to conduct applied Vastu zonal strength analysis before using red. An imbalance in color can have negative consequences. Ensure you complete the color Vastu selection class before decide on paint. What should a Vastu compliant kitchen layout looks like? Correct location alone is not sufficient. The layout must also adhere to Vastu principles. Here's a sample layout for a southeast kitchen. The person's cooking face towards east, with the sink positioned away from the stove on the left. The refrigerator is located on the south side and the crockery unit is on the west wall. For those wishing to build such kitchen layout as per Vastu or seeking paid consultancy, please contact us through the Applied Vastu website or WhatsApp in this number. We welcome your feedback on how to make our Vastu classes more attractive. If you have any question, feel free to reach out in the comments or the WhatsApp in this number. This concludes our class for today. Join us again in our next Vastu class for more insights. Thank you. Namaskar.